Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to link a table of contents to headings in Microsoft Word. If your table of contents isn't clickable, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, select your section titles or headings. On the Home tab, choose a heading style like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. You can right-click the text to change the style or formatting if you want. Next, go to your table of contents and highlight the title you want to link. Click the Insert tab and select Link, or right-click and choose Hyperlink. In the window that appears, select the Place in this document tab. Choose the heading you want to link to, and click OK. Now, when you click the link in your table of contents, it will jump straight to that heading. Repeat the same process for your other headings. Alternatively, you can click on the table of contents and then click Update Table. Select the entire table and click OK. This will automatically update your linked table of contents to headings. You can also link any word or phrase in your document using the same steps. Just make sure the text is linked to a heading, because the table of contents only works with headings. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.